folks. Taking the audio. Just give me some minute. Yeah. The sound might seem not really okay, but for the meantime, we have to manage it. Um, as lack of the resources right now, so but I'm trying to get that very soon. Most especially for this live stream. So I do, I do need those stuffs. So this is the Nasdaq daily chat. So today will be the first episode on the weekly market review. So it's not really something that is complicated. Like how I view the market. Before I told you that I view the market candlestick by candlestick. Like each candle, the formation, what is doing, I want to see it. So many people find it like confusing. Like okay, how are you going to like? I see many people trading all those trend line of the stock. Yeah, every strategy is what every strategy is what unique. Like irrespective of your strategy, so far that you are making money out of it, just stick to it. But for me, what is working for me here is for me to be what looking at what each candle, because the previous candle you give what more information about the next candle. That is the logic. So if you study the current candle, it will give you what the next direction of the next candle. This is obviously what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything. So my bias is not something that is called complicated. So I'm not using support and resistance, supply and demand. No. So, but my unique way of trading the market is very unique. Like it's very unique. So because the fact that I'm looking at each candlestick, that gives me what make it more complicated at times. That is, if I'm trying to learn it, as a beginner. But once you master it, everything is gone. Like you'll be reading each candlestick, like in a second, you have you know make your decision what or where the market is likely to go. So this is the word Nasdaq. I'm not going to explain all those details here. I think I'll just start from Monday price action. Because this Monday here, um, even if you look at those trades, I think go to my playlist. That is the live market review. You see, I made a video on this. So my entry, then what I was looking for, and my exit points. So if you check the video, you see them. They're very useful. So I'm not going much in detail in this example here. Just pinpoint some aspect for you guys, and maybe you find it very helpful. So the first thing I saw on Monday, prior to Monday's open. So those are the two levels I was watching. Look at these two levels. I was watching those two levels for market to hit it and react from it. So as soon as what Monday's open, it traded down. Do we hit this level? No. So I was see I was my hands are on my desk. I didn't do anything. I was just watching price action. So since it didn't what hit this level, I don't have any reason to enter this trade. So I just keep watching because I don't know what is going on. So those are my level. To me is face level for me. Once price hit it, I will take action. Once price you know leave without not hitting it, then I will just like leave the levels as they are. So sorry, don't mind me, but I just wake up and decided to do this live session here. My voice might be somehow, but you just have to manage. So once this Monday's candles what closed, this now gave me the air that the next one Tuesday price will continue going high. I just know because look at what happened here. This candle alone has already give an indication that the next candle will likely to go into this what high. That's the first thing I know. So the second thing is this: you see this lately local high here. That is where I was anticipating price to what reach. Then and the what overall high here. Look at it here. And I mentioned about this high that on Friday I want to see market trade into it, and it did that. So once this candle form on Tuesday, I was waiting for this. I took this trade here. I think it's very simple. So that was on Tuesday. If you check my YouTube channel, the live trade review, you see how where I entered and why I entered this trade. And on Wednesday, I took this trade from this level. Look at it. So on Thursday here, I took this trade from this level again. Look at these two levels that I was on. Once price hit it, then I was in. So I will explain what I was saying here on Thursday as well as on Friday. What I was saying. This is Thursday. But some expect just one simple approach to the market. Now once price hit it, I'll be on my what 5 minutes, then drop down to 2 minutes. Um, I do use my mobile phone often, so I don't really, I use my mobile phone always, so I'm not using the system to do. Though the advantage is, very okay because you can see a lot of data. So compared to mobile phone, I prefer mobile phone because it is portable for me. You can take it anywhere we are going. So the first entry was here. Price hit it. What does it do? Once price hit it, this is Thursday. But I only would enter the trade by 9:30 New York local time, 9:30 a.m. That is market equity market open. So, but once I see this hitting this, I'm not interested because I know market will still what come down during the what 9:30. Then I'll find an entry from that place. I think this Thursday we had what PPI. I think it was PPI news. So once price trade at 8:30 price was trade lower like this. As it's trading lower, if you can check my entry, I just enter. Check the live trade review on Thursday. You see this, price action. And once price is going lower, I'm entering because I know it will surely reverse and go down and go up. So, but maybe I took this trade, so I added another position here. This is where the I added another position here. You see this? You see this? This is where I added another position. So for the fact that this candle has done this. I think I explained that. So the area was monitoring after price has you see these two candles, one, two, that's 10 minute candle has what already what show an indication that at the end of the day market will have to trade above this high. I just know. So what are the levels I was monitoring? The first one was this what fair value gap, then and the second one was this what look at this level and the third one was here. Look at it, very beautiful. So those are the levels I was what monitoring. So once price hit it, I was on my 1 minute time frame. I took two losses here. I was on my 1 minute time frame. I took the trade based on my entry criteria. I got stopped out. Then another entry is obvious here. Then and I start many position because I'm not. This is one shot, one kill. So for me, I just know that it has to go up because 80% of the time, all probabilities are in my favor. Like 80% probability are in my favor. So I start the position with heavy lot, with heavy lot. So at my first point of interest, if you see this fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame or on the 15 minutes. So once I see this price action like this price action looks what familiar. It looks familiar. Look at it. Once price this because I've seen a lot of this little price action you're seeing now. Look at it. So once price does this, I just enter the trade. My stop loss was here. So and you see at the end of the day, the momentum was not going. So what I just knew was that was the after PPI. I think we also have President Trump's speak. So and all those high impact news will impact the volatility of the market. So I got stopped out. Once I got stopped out, look at this candle here. Once this candle's what trade like this, ideally you should what as it's selling like this, you should what buy. As it's trading down into this level, just buy. But me, I was waiting for blocks. I have taken two losses here. I was waiting for market to um, give me show me its hands before I engage. Once I see this candle like this, I always call this candle the last day. Look at it. Once I have what the candle straight through it. This is the what last brain of the algorithm, and the algorithm knows that it doesn't have to trade back into this low again and close below this low again. So I just know that. So my first entry was when I hit this level, I entered, then my stop loss was here. Then as it's trading down like this one, I think I took another entry here, my stop loss same. Then once price was leaves like this, look at it. This candle here, I start another position here, and my stop loss at this time is here, was here. So price continue because look at this price going up. I don't really like it. So I was really panicked because look at this price. The price is not showing what any bullish move or buy model momentum like or pattern. So I didn't like all this shallow price action or distorted price action. So one price hit this level, I know the highest level you can go here is 50% of this week. That is the highest it can go if you want to go higher. So I keep watching it. So my aim was if I hit the 50% and it's still coming down, I just have to close the trade and call it a day. So and market reverse. Once I have this candle here, look at it. I know this gap here is what will be what a breakaway gap. That is what the ICT teaches. So he always talked about this. He talks about this breakaway gap. So what I don't want to see, because market has spent a lot of time down here. It has spent a lot of time down here. So once it leaves this, I don't want to see anybody candle even traded inside of this ring. The highest it can do is can just touch what high of this what fair value gap. So and once the next candle we trade lower on the ES we traded we hit the high of this fair value gap and price continue going high. I think here I also start some position. I think I start some position here. Yeah, and after that market continue what going what higher. So and if you are looking at this price range, you see all those are area you can be stacking. Those are area you can start be stacking or trace. Look at this other block and market continue going high. Anyone little fair value gap, that's your opportunity for longs. See this fair value gap, that's another long. And enter here, your stop loss will be here. Any little fair value gap, that's what opportunity to what long. Look at it. So for me, I always consider inside this mini range, I consider the premium and discount. Any mini range I'm trading, I just consider the premium and discount level. So this we have entered here. This fair value gap, market hit it, go up, then we hit trade deeper into this range, and market continue to. You see this another one entry. Look at it. This is the price action I like. I like all these guys. So market will trade what higher. I think this way we close at the end of the day. I think this way we close. Yeah, we didn't close there and market continue going higher until we reach this level here. That is second buy side liquidity on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame. So obviously that is how the what market what behaves. So if you look at what Friday price action, so what I was watching is for price to what hit this what level here. So before market continue going up higher, but it doesn't do that. So but I had this my one shot one kill model has formed, yeah, on that Friday. I think Friday I took some losses, couple of losses here. So I was just watching this. See this candle here? These two candles. Look at it. One, two, three. Shows that what at the end of the day, the market will have to trade above this high. That is the buy side for me. And this low here will be protected. So I just know this. So my first what attention was this. Once price trade into this, I think I consider this level here. That was the first level I considered. So once price traded below it, I think I was here. My entry was based on the what 1 minute time frame. I was here. I took some losses here. I think three losses. But once price leave, you see this line. Once price leaves it on what 1 minute, as soon as fly leave this area, then I start in with what heavy lot. If you can see it here, I think I can show you. Look at it here on the 2 minute. Once price leaves this line, just tap in many position because I know this is the highest it can reach. I know that. This is 5 minute chart. This is the 2 minute chart after I've closed the trade. I just tack a heavy position. So 2 minutes, look at where I stopped then. I think 1 to 5 from this trade. 1 to 5. Then compared to the my three losses, I was up. I think 3%. Yeah. So once price leave, you see this last green, this candle here, I consider it as a last green. Once what market leaves it with this candle here, look at it, as soon as this candle is coming, I don't want to wait because I know it has to leave it. So I just enter heavy position, then market continue what on into the sign because it doesn't have time to trade back again. This is just same thing as repeating. So this gap should be what a break even gap because price has spent a lot of time and once it finally leave this range, I don't expect market to have what trade inside of this, fair value gap. No. So on the 1 minute time frame, I think that's from where we have our entry. Took many losses here. So this was the first range and look at it. So I think I start the position but I was not really comfortable with the trade because of what price is doing here at this zone, at this level. Look at it. Because of what price is doing here. So I'm not really comfortable. But I know for sure this level will hold price. Because look at it. Second, first turn, second turn. Look at all those price distortion. So the algorithm doesn't have to do this. It doesn't have to. I think Friday we also have President Trump's speech. Maybe that's what affect this what market. Because I know for sure it has to leave this range. So one price what finally will trade into this level here. So I'll just what my focus was just this what on the one with this level here. Once price what trade through it, so I just enter heavy position here and market continue to go in my direction. Look at it. Very beautiful price action. I think this trade is 1 to 5 or 1 to 7. Should 1 to 7. These two. So Euro USD, I'll just explain the weekly profile, what I'm seeing the weekly. So I think I've explained this. If you want to see how all this trade would break down, you can go to playlist. So I watch how I took this trade and what I was looking for before I entered the trade. And for now, let's just make what a weekly analysis and see where we are in the market. So this is where we traded from. In this case, I'm not doing any lines. So because I just want to see you see it with your naked eyes. So this is where market crash from this fair value gap, and you have seen this. So for this thing, if you see it, you cannot unseen it. It's not possible because of this candle that has formed here. Because of this weekly candle, it's very strong. see this last green, look at this candle here. I consider it as what the last green of what algorithm. This is on the what weekly. Once price what trade through it, to me, price has to what trade above this high again because it has shown that it is going up. So, and what are the levels I'll be monitoring? The first level will be here. This is where I don't want to see anybody closure. I think the first level should be here. So why? Because if you can measure this range to this, yeah. So that's the first level I'll be monitoring. Then the second level, yeah, the first level is okay. So I think this will be on my chart. So what I want now is maybe price can trade into this. See this fair value gap. Overall, I'm still bearish on this guy. I'm bearish on the what Euro and GBPSD. I'm extremely bullish on the dollar index. So so I'm waiting for price to what trade above this high and this high and maybe tap into this fair value gap and continue crashing down. Or how far can this go? How far can it go is we have this top fair value gap. This is how far this market can go. It doesn't need to trade up below this level, above this level rather, if it want to go lower. Once we have what any a candle trade into through it, that is what market is targeting this high. Forget about what you're seeing here. Once price trade into this fair value gap and we trade through it, the next line is this high and this high. Just know that. Now, personally, for me, what I want to see is market hit this level then and continue. But ideal level I'm watching is this. That is the shortest from here. That is the shortest PDRs from here. But obviously, this is another point you should be watching for. That is the highest you can reach. So if market reach here and give me any what confirmation, I'll go short and target this low. Then obviously this overall low. So this is what I'm watching on the Euro USD. Back to our Nasdaq. On the Nasdaq, this week, what I'm watching here, I don't want to use this chart. Let me check if there's another chart. I don't want to. Yeah. Let's use this. Let's remove. So here, the levels I'm watching now, currently, you see this level here. That is the first one. Then the second level I'm watching here is this. So market has to come like this. If market is coming down, I'll be very interested in taking this guy to the what upside, maybe to another standard deviation level. So because this is already all-time high already, so maybe targeting any standard deviation is very okay. So those are my level going to the week, and after that maybe you can have deep retracement into this area then and price continue going what higher. So this is my view on the what Nasdaq. And on the daily time frames, those levels are being transposed. And if you can see, you have this fair value gap here on the daily time frame. Normally, my levels are very strong. But just for additional confidence, we add the what fair value gap. So this is what I'm looking at. You see these two lines? Once price is hitting it, I'll be on my what 1 minute time frame entry what setup. And if you know want to know about my entry setup, just go to the what live trade review. Then you see I explain what I was looking, how I want to see price behave at this level. So this is very simple price behavior. So my charts is very clean. I don't have anything on it. Just my naked is with some, maybe three or four lines. Then I'm okay with it. So the only thing that's left is what? Your psychology. How can you trust this system? Because it requires you to what? Trust the process and or trust yourself. So I don't want to know. Once I place any trade, I just close it and leave it. Because I know where the world market doesn't move, like a point where price should not trade below or above. I just know that. So based on that, I'll set my stop loss then and see what the market will likely to be. So I think these are two core recipe I often like, or you can just take another this thing. So DSY, so obviously I can be targeting this. This is daily, this low. Can be targeting this low on DSY. Another this thing is the volatility in this. So I just love what I'm seeing now. This kind of price action. The fact that we have this volume imbalance. So I just know that while this guy this US volatility index is going down, then all the indices should go up. That is the ES and the old NQ should go up. So I just love what I'm seeing now. That everything is just perfectly fine. This is how I build my confidence. Like I look at the dollar index, I look at the what this that is US volatility index, then and see its what direction. What is it doing currently? Then prior to the what next. So once it is in normal direction, because sometimes the risk will just be in a range like this. So at the point it be in a range like this, so it is something like what neutral to the what Nasdaq or ES. So it's not really affecting it. But when you see this a huge move going on, this means that what the NQ will do the opposite of what this is doing now. So just know that. So one thing again is if you are what using DSY and if you can see DSY is going down, so it means the both of them are going down in this case. What if you have DSY going down but this one is going up? Are you certain that um the Nasdaq will go down? Like the dollar index is going up, B is going down. So if you just analyze based on the what dollar index, you see that as dollar index is going, um, we are considering what risk off, risk on scenario, right? If dollar index is going up, at times the what US the NQ or ES, that is the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 will go up. Despite the fact that the dollar index is going up. So ultimately it's following what the US volatility. That's why I'm looking at it. So if the dollar index is going down, it's going up, and the V is going down, I'll just follow the V. I know that the Nasdaq will now what go up. So I think this is all for today. What I'm looking for on the NQ is what bullish bias for the week coming week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Your suggestion will help me improve this channel. And I wish I would do more than this. And forget about my voice. I just woke up and decided to do all this stuff. So sleep right now. Yeah. So